Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to our today's class. I hope you all are very well. Let's start our today's class. Today we will discuss about the industry. We know for the development of any country, industry play a very vital role. Which country has many types of or more industries, that country develops so fast, and which country has no more industry, that country is not running to the for the development, or not a very developed country, that is called underdeveloped country. For go to the developed country, Bangladesh also try to enrich or increase their industry sector. And from the Liberation War, or from the Liberation War, Bangladesh tried to increase industry, and they increased many much more industry in all sector of the industrial sector. Our at first our industrial our main industry was from the our Pakistan period. Our main industry was the jute industry, and our jute was called the golden fiber in outside of world, because that was very famous in outside of the world, and inside of the country also. And our first jute industry established at 1951 in Narayanganj, and that is called Adamji Jute Mill, we know. And Adamji Jute Mill was the very famous and most productive industry for that time. After that, many political issue is coming for in our in jute industry, and our jute industry, Adamji Jute Mill, was closed. But after the long time, the jute mill was is running now. But that famous we cannot achieve at present. After that, our industry, our textile industry also a very 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 big industry for Bangladesh. And from the our Pakistan time, textile industry also established. And that time, in 1947, our East Pakistan has only 7 or 8 textile industry. But at present we have a lot of textile industry inside our country, and we export many types of our many types of product in outside of the world from the textile industry. And our garment industry is related with the textile industry. From the 18th century, garments industry started their journey. Before the 80s, our textile industry is meet our demand for our clothing. But after that, our garments when garments industry is established, and we get ready-made garments from that industry, and they fulfill our demand, and they export many types of cloth, ready-made cloth, to the outside of the world, and they earn much more foreign currency for the country, and it plays a big role into our economy. After that, garments industry started at 1980, and sugar industry started At first, our sugar industry is started at 1993 in Natur, our first sugar industry in Gopalpur in Natur, and we produce much more sugar cane, and we made many types of sugar, refined sugar from the sugar cane, and our sugar industry is made it, and our sugar also exported in outside of the country, and also fulfill our own demand. And we have a lot of sugar industry also at present. After that, paper industry. At first, our paper industry started their journey in 1953 in our Cornfully paper mill. After that, we have other many paper industry, and our paper industry is produced many types of paper and fulfill our demand, fulfill our inside demand of the paper. And after that, our fertilizer industry started their journey in 1961. Our fertilizer industry is not increased or not extend more, because it has at present we have only 8 fertilizer industry, and it not sufficient for our farmer, and we have imported much more fertilizer for our cultivation. We want to focus on our fertilizer industry. After that, our cement industry. Cement industry started in 1940, and at first our industry was a chatok industry, and this cement industry is fulfilled our half demand of the inside of our country, and we have many cement industry, and at present we export many cement in outside of the world. uh, we have a drug industry, leather industry, tea industry, cotton industry, tobacco industry, and sheep industry. Drug industry is very popular. Our drug industry is very popular at present in outside of the world, and we exported many types of drugs. And our leather industry is not expand more. For that, we import many types of leathers, but some companies or some industries are exported their leather in outside of the world. Our tea is very much famous in outside of the world, and our maximum tea is produced in our Sylhet area. Sylhet and Chittagong area also, and at present we produce some tea from our Panchagor and Rangpur area, Dinajpur area, and at our cotton industry. For running our textile and for running our garments industry, we need much more cotton, but our cotton production is not so much, and for that we imported many cotton from the outside of the country. After that, tobacco industry. Tobacco industry is popular at present in our country, and in not all season, only the winter season is the tobacco production time, and in our North Bengal side, the tobacco industry is very popular. After that, our shrimp industry, like our garments industry, our shrimp industry is running so fast. And in our inside of country and outside of the country, the demand of our shrimp is very much. And we earn much more foreign currency by exporting shrimp. And at present, our shrimp is called our white gold in our economy. That's all our main industries, students. I hope you all understand about our main industries and their role into our economy to run our economy, to develop our country. You will read the textbook from and read the main industries and solve the worksheet which is given in website. Thank you very much, students.